Generate multi-person mocap in 4 steps. Step 1. Open QuickMagic and log in. Step 2. Click Upload and upload video.
Different UI.
Don't worry, QuickMagic will tell you how to use. Click here to upload your video. This is a tip for you, you can confirm this. Step 3. Scan picked row and choose format. The right column can choose format. You can click the arrow, then drag the format box onto your chosen character. Step 4. Generate motion in preferred settings. You will find your video in Home.
A few moments later.
Click here to check your video.
How can I download my video?
Download here.